Good day mga ka-explorer! We're here at Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage located at Barangay Paltik, Dingalan, Aurora. Home of the majestic landscape, it's often called Batanes of the East as it imitates the rolling hills and the blue waters of the island of Batanes. Come and visit here with your families and friends. Experience the beauty of nature's and breathtaking landscape of the Pacific. Let's explore the place and enjoy the video!
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.